subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
My dear students, once again welcome back. Today I am going to start exercise 6.1. In previous video, you all studied introductory part of the chapter number 6, squares and square roots. So in exercise 6.1, question number 1, students, what will be the unit digit of the square of the following numbers? So students, the unit digit of the square number, the unit digit of the square number (81) will be 1. Why? Because students, unit digit of square number depend the unit digit of given number, student. Unit digit of given number. So given number is 81, unit digit is 1, then 1 into 1, 1 square is equal to 1. So in unit place it will be 1. And next, student, 272, the unit digit of the square number 272 is 4, because in unit place 2 is given. So the unit digit of the square number 272 will be 1, will be 4, because in unit place given that 2 students. So unit digit of the square number is depend on the given number, students. So unit digit of the square number depend on the unit digit. 9 into 9, 9 into 9, 81. So unit digit is 1, students. 9 into 9, 81. So unit digit is 1, student. Unit digit will be 1. Then unit number is 3. Then 3 into 3, 9. So in unit place 9. The unit digit of the square number 3853 is 9. Similarly, unit digit of the square number 1234 is 6. Why? Because 4 into 4 is equal to 16. In unit place 6. And in same way, students, and in same way, fifth one, given number in unit place 7, therefore in unit digit is 9, students. So student, the unit digit of the square of the square 26387 is 9, because in unit place given, student, 7. Then next, sixth one, student, 52698. In unit place, students, 8 is given. Then 8 into 8, 64. In unit place 4. So students, the unit digit of the square number of 52689 will be 4. In same way, students, next, student, next, eighth one, 99880. 99880. In unit place is 0 because 0 into 0 is equal to 0. So unit digit of the square number of 99,880 will be 0. And next student, ninth one, 12796. Unit digit is 6 student. Therefore 6 6 is 36. 6 into 6 36. So in unit place is 6 student. So students, the unit digit of the square of the number 12,796 will be 6. And 10th one students, unit place 5, 5 into 5, 25. So unit number is 5 student. Unit number is 5. So the unit digit of the square of the number 5555 will be 5 because 5 into 5 25. So unit place is 5. तो स्टूडेंट्स आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा, जो भी नंबर्स का स्क्वायर करना है उसके यूनिट प्लेस पर जो नंबर है उसको स्क्वायर कर दो. फॉर एग्जांपल 8 का स्क्वायर कर दो. 8 इंटू 8 64. यूनिट डिजिट क्या आया 4. सो यूनिट डिजिट इसके स्क्वायर का क्या होगा 4. इन सेम वे इसके स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगा 0. 6 के स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगा स्टूडेंट 6. एंड 25 के स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट क्या होगा स्टूडेंट 5. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 स्टूडेंट्स. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 स्टूडेंट्स. The following square are obviously not perfect square. The following numbers, the following numbers are obviously not perfect squares. Not perfect squares. Give reason. Give reason. So students, you all know if any number is a square number, then in unit place 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 8. Then remaining numbers are 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7 and 8. If number 2, 3, 7, 8 is unit digit, then given number is not a perfect square. So we can say that students, all square number end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Otherwise, we can say if ending digit 2, 3, 7 and 8, then number is not a square number. So, students, digit is given 1057. 1057. Ending digit is 7, therefore not perfect square. Not perfect square. Why student? Because the ending digit 2, 3, 7 and 8, the number is not a perfect square. Otherwise, we can say and the form 1057 is not a perfect square because ending digit does not belongs to 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. First one. Then second one students. Second one number is also given 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So in unit place students, it means ending digit is 3. Ending digit is 3. Therefore, not perfect square. Third one, students. Second one, in ending digit 3, therefore not a perfect square. Otherwise, we can say, in other words, ending digit does not belongs to 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. So this is not a perfect square. तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर होने के लिए स्टूडेंट्स दो टेस्ट होते हैं. फर्स्ट, एंडिंग डिजिट अदरवाइज यूनिट डिजिट पर 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 होगा तो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर होगा. अदरवाइज एंडिंग डिजिट पर 2, 3, 7, 8 होगा तो नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा स्टूडेंट्स. देन थर्ड वन, 7, 9, 2, 8. 7, 9, 2, 8. Ending digit is 8. So not a perfect square. Not perfect square. Why? Because ending digit is 8 or ending digit does not belongs to 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. Next student, fourth one students, ending digit is 2 students. So this is not a perfect square. Why? Because if end with 2, not with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9. So this is not a perfect square. Next student, fifth one, 64,000 students. The number 64,000 is not a square number. Is not a square number, students. Is not a square number because ending with 0 is not even, because not a square number, because it has 3 zeros at the end. 3 zeros at the end. Students, if 2 zeros at the end, 4 zeros at the end, 6 zeros at the end, then number is a square number, otherwise not a square number. Otherwise, in other sentence, we can say square number can have only even number of zeros. Square number can have only even number of zeros, but in 64,000, total number of zeros is 3. So not a even number of zeros. So this is not a perfect square, students. Next, sixth one, students. Sixth one, 89,722. Ending digit is 2. Therefore, this is not a perfect square or square number. Perfect square because ending digit is 2. And in same way, student, seventh one, not a square number, not a square number. Why, students? Because can have odd number of zeros. Odd number of zeros. But square number can have only even number of zeros. Square number can have even number of zeros. Even number of zeros. But in this number only 3 zeros are given, so this is not a square number. Next student, eighth one, 505050. Also in unit place only one zeros is given, so number of zeros have only one, then this number is not a square number, because square number can have even number of zeros. So this is also not a square number. Students, next we will move question number 3. Question number 3, students. Question number 3. Question number 3. The square of which of the following would be odd number? The squares of which of the following would be odd numbers. Would be odd numbers. First, 431. Second, 2826. Third, 7779. And fourth one, students, 82004. So students, the square of which of the following would be odd numbers? If in unit digit of given number is odd, then squares is also odd. Unit digit is odd, then squares is also odd, students. So 431 is an odd number. 431 is an odd number. Therefore, its square also be an odd number. Square will also be an odd number. Students, if number is odd number, then its square is also odd number. Number is an even number, student, because in unit place 6 is given. So number is an even number. Then its square will not be an odd. ये यूनिट प्लेस पर 6 है, इट मीन्स दिस इज द इवन नंबर, देन इट्स स्क्वायर विल नॉट बी ऑड. एंड इन दिस नंबर, स्टूडेंट्स, ending digit is 9, it means this is the odd number, then its square is also odd. Its squares will be an odd, because this number is odd number. Its square will not an odd. Why? Because this number is a even number. Because it is even number. Students, this number is a even number, so its square is also even, not a odd. तो स्टूडेंट, कोई भी नंबर का स्क्वायर इवन होगा कि ऑड होगा, उसके लिए हमें एंडिंग डिजिट को देखना होता है. इफ एंडिंग डिजिट इज ऑड, then its square is odd. If ending digit is even, then its square will not be odd. So this is not will be odd. This square number is an odd. This square number will not be odd because number is even number, students. So next question number fourth one, students. Question number fourth one. Question number 4. Observe the following pattern. Observe the following pattern. Observe the following pattern and find the missing number. And find the missing number. Student, patterns are given 11 whole square, 121, 101 whole square, 10201, 1001 whole square, 100201, 1 and 40 whole square is equal to 1, fill in the blanks, 2, 1, and then 1 whole square is equal to. So student, observe the given pattern. 11 square 121, in between 1 and 1 putting 0, then 1 and 1 2, 1 0 2 0 1. ये इन बिटवीन 1 0 आया स्टूडेंट, तो हर एक नंबर के बीच में 1 1 0, इन बिटवीन 1 and 2 0, इन बिटवीन 2 and 1 also 0. If given in between 1 and 1 2 0, then 1 written 2 0, 2 written 2 0, then 1. So what will be the value of this number, students? 40. In between 1 and 1 40 is given, students, then 1 4 0 and 2 4 times 0 1 and 1 6 times 0 1 whole square is equal to 1 6 times 0 2 6 times 0 and 1. This is the required result, student. Next question number 4th one, student. Question number 5th one, sorry. Next question number 5th one. Those who are watching the video, please like, share and subscribe and comment your name in comment section, students. Question number 5th one. Observe the following pattern and fill the missing numbers. 11 square is equal to 121. 101 whole square is equal to 10201. 10101 whole square is equal to 1020301. 30, then in decreasing order 201. Then students, 1010101 whole square, and students 102040504030202021. So fill in the blanks. So observe the student given pattern. In between 1 and 1 1 0 is given, and 1 plus 1 2, then 1 0 2 0 1. 3 times 1 is given, it means 3 0 तक हमें मूव करना है increasing order में, then we will move in decreasing order. So 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, then in decreasing order 2 0 1. In this number 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4 times 1 is given. It means this equal to 1 0, 2 0, 3 0 and 4 0, because 4 times of 1 is given. In above 3 times of 1 is given, then 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, then in decreasing order 2 0, 1 0, 1. And 2 times is 1 is given, then 1 0, 2 0, 1. 4 times is given, then 4 0. And in this number right side 5 0 is given. It means student 1 5 times given. 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1 0, 1. 1 5 times is given. So this is the required result, students. Next question number 6th one, students. Question number 6th one. Question number 6th one, students. Using the given pattern, find missing number. Using the given pattern, find missing numbers. Student, pattern is given. 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3. 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square is equal to 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Next, student, 4 square plus 5 square plus is equal to 21 square. Then, students, 5 square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. Then, students, 6 square plus 7 square plus square is equal to 43 square. So, student, observe. In left side, observe first and second number is always in increasing order and consecutive numbers. 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, then 5 and 6. So, student, 6. Then 6 and 7. So, फर्स्ट और सेकंड नंबर स्टूडेंट कंसेक्यूटिव नंबर है और इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में है. तो 1 तो 2, 2 then 3, 3 then 4, 4 then 5, 5 then 6, 6 then 7. What about third number, student? What about the third number? Third number is the multiplication of the first and second number except the square. First number 1, second number 2, multiplication of this 2 square. Then 2 into 3 is equal to 6 square. Then 3 into 4 is equal to 12 square. Then 4 into 5 is equal to 20 square. 5 into 6 is equal to 30 square. 6 into 7 is equal to 42 square. So, students, in here 20 square. 4 into 5 about the third number. What about third number? Third number is a multiplication of first and second, like that. So 6 7 ja 42 square. Students, what about the right side? First number 3 square, always greater than the 1. 6 and 7 square. 7 square greater than the 1. 13 greater than the 1. 21 greater than the 1. 31 greater than 1. 43 and 42. So difference between third digit and in right side digit is 1. स्टूडेंट, ये तीसरे नंबर पर जो नंबर्स आए हुए हैं राइट साइड में जो नंबर्स आए हुए हैं उसमें एक का ही डिफरेंस है, ओनली वन का डिफरेंस है स्टूडेंट। ये देखो 2 स्क्वायर देन 3 स्क्वायर, 6 स्क्वायर देन 7 स्क्वायर, 12 स्क्वायर देन 13 स्क्वायर, 20 स्क्वायर देन 21 स्क्वायर, 30 स्क्वायर देन 31 स्क्वायर, and 43 square then 42 square. It means 42 square then 43 square. So this is the answer, student. This is the answer. 6 square plus 7 square plus 42 square is equal to 43 square. तो ये दोनों हमें फिलअप करने थे स्टूडेंट्स। तो 42 then 43 square, 43 square. So this is the solution of the question number 6th one, student. Next student, question number 7. Question number 7, students. Question number 7. Express. Question number 7. Without adding, find the sum. Without adding, find the sum. Students, first one, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So student, observe this. This is the sum of the first 5 odd natural number. This is the sum of the first 5 odd natural numbers starting with 1. Sum of the first 5, it means starting with 1. Sum of the first 5 odd natural number. So this equal to 5 square. It means this equal to 5 square. It means this equal to 25. Students, this is the formula you all studied in previous lecture. The sum of the first n odd natural number is equal to n square. Sum of the first odd natural number is equal to sum of the first n odd natural number is equal to n square. So sum of the first 5 odd number is equal to 5 square. Second one, students, second one, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19, students. So sum of the first 10 terms, student. Sum of the first 10 odd natural number is equal to, student, 10 square. 10 square is equal to 100. So sum is equal to 100, student. Then third one, student, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21 plus 23 is equal to. So sum of the first 12 term, student, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So this is the sum of the first 12 term. It is equal to sum of the first 12 odd natural numbers is equal to 12 square is equal to 144. So sum of these numbers is equal to 144. 4 students. So next we will move question number 8th one student. Question number 8th one. Question number 8th one. Question number 8th one student. Express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Express first 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. So students, 49 is equal to sum of the first 7 odd numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. So this is the sum of the first 7 odd numbers student. First 7 odd numbers, it means 7 square. Next, second one student, 121. 121, sum of the first 11 odd number student. Why? Because 121 given in form of 11 square. So sum of the first 11 odd natural numbers, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13, 15, 17, 19 and 21 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. This is the sum of the first 11 odd numbers. So student, next we will move question number 9th one student. Question number 9th one. Question number 9th one students. Question number 9th one. How many numbers lie between the squares? How many numbers lie between the squares of the following numbers? Squares of the following numbers. First, 12 and 13. Second, 25 and 26. And third one students, 99 and 100. 99 and 100. So students, if number in students, if two and non-perfect square numbers between the square of the number n and n plus 1. So student, we know that two n non-perfect square numbers between the square of the number between the square of the number n and n plus 1. So student, in introductory video we all studied 2n non-perfect square number between the square of the number n and n plus 1. So students, Here in first one 12 and 13. So n is equal to 12, n plus 1 is equal to 13. Then 2n is equal to 12 into 2, 24. So student, 24 number lies between. So 24 numbers lie between square of 12 and 13. Square of 12 and 13. Student, this is the first one. And second one, students, second one 25 and 26. So n is equal to 25, n plus 1 is equal to 26. Therefore, number lies between square of 25 and 26 will be 2n. It means 2 into 25 is equal to 50. This is the required answer, student. Next, third one, students, n is equal to 99, n plus 1 is equal to 100. Therefore, 2n is equal to 2 into 99 is equal to 198, students. 198. So, students, 198 numbers lie between squares of 99 and 100. So this is the answer, student. Answer 50. So n is equal to 12, then 2n is equal to 24, n is equal to 25, then 2n is equal to 50, n is equal to 99, then 2n is equal to 198. So I hope you all are getting it very well.